Hey guys, this is Steven from Steven's Home Cooking. So I'm going to try another experiment today. After posting the video about the Dawn Powerwash, I saw some others that people said that it's good for some other types of cleaning. So let's try this. I'm going to try this with against Mrs. Meyers cleaning, and let's see how it does. This stove glass is pretty dirty. So let's take half of it. I'm going to take the right side and do the Dawn Powerwash, and then I'm going to do the left side, and I'm going to do the Miss Meyers. Now, the Powerwash requires a 10-minute time on there. Spray it on and then leave it for 10 minutes. So that way, let's see what it does. Okay guys, this is the Dawn Powerwash here that I'm spraying right now. Okay, so let me leave that for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. It's kind of foaming and doing some stuff. I've got some blue industrial towels. Let's see how it does. It's not doing bad. Not doing great. Okay. So let's try the Mrs. Meyers Cleaner. This is Mrs. Meyers here that's being sprayed right now. Let's leave it for a little bit. All right, let's see how this does. Wow. With it only being left on for a couple of seconds, it did considerably better. Okay, so I'm gonna try this for the whole, use the Mrs. Meyers for the whole thing. And I'm gonna leave it on there since it's kind of grimy. I'm gonna leave it on there for about 2 or 3 minutes. So I will be back. All right guys, we're back. Let's try it again. It did better, but it still didn't get all of it off. Now, I admit that this has been not handled well for a long time, so that is part of the problem. Okay, I went and grabbed one of these, which is one of the, who are they made by? It's a sponge-like. So let's put a little bit more Mrs. Meyers on here. I think some of this is just so burned on that it'll never come off. So let's see how it did. Definitely a big improvement. Wow, what a difference. I think a couple more washings like this will definitely make a difference. All right, guys. Thank you again for coming. This is Steve's Home Cooking, saying it's better to eat at home than eating out.